Welcome to my world of assembling things, step by step.
Still no pivot ball for the control arm. Let's see if they shoved it. It looks like it's in this. There's like a little bag here with some servo saver parts. So we'll need to just remember that when you open these up, they aren't attached to anything. You really want to install those little pivot balls before you put the control arm in, so you're not like trying to fight, you know what I mean? Like you're not trying to fight with, and I'll show you what that means. Now real quick, I want to show you this diff action. It's if you'll notice that when I turn the out drive, it actually turns the center shaft. Well, that's because I have that 60K in here, right? We want to go heavy on the front, and you'll notice that now it's starting to turn it. It's fairly thick. I mean, you can tell there's a lot of resistance there. I did put a little bit of Tri-Flow lubricant on the spider gears because there's some silicone that leaked out. The silicone will actually act as a pretty good lubricant, and plus you're plastic on plastic. You really don't need anything heavy when you're doing plastic on plastic, like the input gear, or we'll call it the pinion, going to the ring gear on the differential. And again, this is the ring gear. So this is just, it kind of self-lubricates itself. Like you don't need much. Now in the instructions, it wants you to use this grease right here for its plastic model grease. It's totally fine. Okay. Yep. So it's going to sit like this. And this is where I am going to use socket caps right in these two holes here, because it's going to be recessed and it's going to look nice and flush. You need 10 millimeter there as well, so I'm going to do a socket cap here, and then again that's a 2.5 mil on your driver. All right. Hopefully you can see that pretty well, right? Yeah. There we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, I see. Socket caps look perfect right there. They fit flush. Okay.